Queen Mother Goddess, Opulence Raw Enter, taking you today on a journey back to Ghana, the Akan people, to explore Sankofa. Sankofa is depicted as a heron bird, and the heron bird is often described as a place of peace and tranquility. Sankofa is a bird that is depicted turning its head back toward its body, often appearing to be chewing or licking or touching its mouth to the body. And its meaning is you must go back to where you came from to know who you are. Return to the motherland, the origin of all information, inspiration. Mother Africa holds the key for you to stand in future realities. Some of you may be aware of the biblical story of Lot and his wife, who isn't even named, but is symbolized as someone who looked back and she turned into salt. And you know what happens if you leave salt outside for any length of time. Well, if you don't know, it will deteriorate. Rain, wind will destroy it pretty quickly. So this is truly a paradox in thought process to the Akan, the African way. I say go home, look back, get the keys that have been left for thee, put them in your pocket and then move forward. Remember from which you came. The ancestors are speaking. Namaste, beloved. Walk in power, walk in peace. Otepu. Like, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I will come to tell you more of what I am guided to do. Happy me, happy you. Eternal love is here for you.